What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. My name is Shannon Hartrick. If you're new here, you're probably new here because this is my first YouTube video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to dye your Air Force One lows. So the materials you're going to need for this is some sort of leather dye. I'm using Angelus leather dye in the color Jade. It's kind of like a greeny, pretty greeny color. Obviously you're going to need a pair of white Air Forces. If your Air Forces are brand new, you will need to use acetone and cotton balls just to take off the factory finish. I get my acetone from Walmart as well as the cotton balls. It's just a regular bag of cotton balls. You can see this here. And yeah, you can also use bricks, which is good to help push the shoes down and submerge them under the water. We're also going to need some sort of stirring device. I'm just using an old ladle with holes in it to mix everything around. Some dish soap and table salt. I have no idea why you need these, but every video that I've watched says you need these, and nobody seems to know why. So we're just gonna do it anyways because I don't know. But yeah, you're gonna need those, like a tablespoon of each. I'm gonna show you guys briefly, and a bucket of hot, as you can see, very steamy water. I'm just waiting for my other pot to heat up. I'm gonna add that in there and then we're gonna get going. Alright guys, so my next pot of water is pretty much boiled now, so I'm gonna go grab that, throw it in here. Alright, so now I got my water in my bucket. I'm gonna go ahead and put some table salt for some unknown reason in here. I don't know how much. A good solid amount there. And about a tablespoon of dish soap. So that's in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put, I think I'm gonna put like half a bottle, maybe this whole bottle. We're gonna see. I'm not really sure. Some people do half a bottle. If you know Jake Polino, he put 3 bottles in there. Shout out to Jake. He is like the king of dyeing shoes. If you don't know him, you should go check out his Instagram. But yeah, I'm gonna start with maybe half and see how that looks, I guess. That is dark. Okay, well, that's that. So this here. Oh, also, you're gonna need some gloves. I don't know if I mentioned that. You should definitely have some gloves unless you want your hands to be completely dyed. So I'm gonna go and stir this around now, make sure it's all nice and even in the water. That is super green. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna set this in the sink so I don't dye my table. I'm gonna put one in at a time. I don't even know. I'm gonna do this way. There she goes. This bucket is not big enough, so I'm gonna have to turn these sideways a bit, I think. I don't know how long this is supposed to stay in for. Like I said, I'm gonna go with like 5 minutes. Maybe they're already turning green. This bucket is not big enough, so make sure y'all got a bucket that's big enough already. This is literally just leaking out and about. Oh my gosh, it's literally going everywhere. The laces are looking a little blue. I love that. I'm gonna show you what they look like so far. So they're already taking some pretty good color. I really do need a bigger bucket. Yeah. Lesson learned, make sure you have a big enough bucket. I need to go get a bigger bucket. I don't know, I clean shoes in here and they fit fine, but I didn't really factor in that I had 2 full bricks in here. And then we wait. The laces are looking super blue, but I don't care with that. I kind of like it. So in case you guys didn't know, I've actually been customizing shoes for just over 2 years now. I've just never got to dye shoes until I saw Jake Polino's custom shoes, and I was like, yo, I have to dye shoes. Like, I'm so inspired right now. Let's see how they look here. So, I might need to just ditch these bricks. I think my hands can bear it now. I'm making a whole ass mess in this bitch. While we wait, I decided to make this YouTube channel because I'm like, I don't know, a lot of people requested that I make like how-to videos because I always post like my customs and never really show like how the process works. So if you are liking the video, if you do like the video, please subscribe, give it a like, thumbs up, share, comment, all that good stuff, as you know. And I'll be sure to come out with some more videos ASAP. That's cool, like the inside, it's like on the leather, it's like green, like a really light green, if you guys can see that, but like the inside is blue, like on wherever it's fabric. Oh, I should probably check on those laces. Where did they go? There they are. They're so blue. That's crazy. It's like such a different color than the actual shoe. Wow, liking it though. It looks together really well. See that right now, this is kind of where they're at. I think that might be it. I'm liking where they're at, to be honest. I think they're good where they're at. I really hope that doesn't die on the floor. Okay, so if you've never done this before, you should be a little more prepared than me. Ensure that your bucket, I think I need like a bucket like double the size of this. Mind you too, these are not big shoes. So if I was to do like a men's 13, like this would not work. This would not work. So I'm gonna get a bigger bucket for the next one. For sure. For sure, for sure. Okay, I have my shoes here. So the last thing you're supposed to do is rinse them in cold water. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Make sure the dye doesn't like drip and everything stays like nice and even. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days now. I let the shoes dry for about 24 hours and then I actually went ahead and put a finishing coat on top. I just used my Angelus matte acrylic finisher there. Just one coat on top and I have the final product. So this is what we got here. As you can see, where the fabric is, where it went blue, it actually turned a lot lighter. After I rinsed it out and it dried. So I'm actually pretty happy with the results there. But if you like the shoes, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you think about them, and share this video with somebody that you think could benefit from learning to dye their own shoes. Also, if you did like this video, please make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Again, I am very, very new to YouTube, to the YouTube world, and I would greatly, greatly appreciate it if you could help and support. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.